guys, I'm Jess and welcome back to Magical Mischief. Today we have got part 3 of the Harry, Ron, Hermione and Hagrid Brickheadz set. We are now on Hermione. We are going to build her today. She comes with a big bag, one big bag with a small bag inside and her book. As I will say in every video, these are just amazing. These books, I absolutely love them. They're so easy to understand. One of the things that I don't think I've mentioned in these previous Brickheadz videos is anything on the bricks, like the uniform. It is printed on. It does not come in the box with any stickers, which I think is amazing because I hate stickers with Lego. Now, don't get me wrong, the stickers are always really good quality and they do look lovely, but I must admit I never put them on straight and it just really annoys me, which is why I'm so glad this set doesn't come with them. I am so excited to get into this, so let's get building. Okay. guys, look, Hermione is all done. How cute is she? She is so nice. So stunning. I am starting to wonder if I've put her hair on wrong. Because look, you can see some gaps that I worry that maybe shouldn't be there. So I'm just going to pull out a book and have a check. Because I'm obviously... Yes, I have. I missed 4 pieces. Oh, she's come off her stand. Ah, doesn't that look so much better now that I've put those pieces on? She had a very, I would say, similar build to Harry actually, minus her hair. Very easy, very simple. Didn't take as long as I expected. Like, these are definitely a lot smaller than I had imagined, but I absolutely love her. She is so cute. Cannot wait to get more Brickheadz, and I cannot wait to do the Professor's one, because that McGonagall is going to be amazing. The Professor's one, if I haven't said in any of these videos already, will be starting in September and will be another 4-part series, as there are 4 characters in the set, and it will run from September to December. I will be starting with McGonagall, then I believe it is Snape, because he is fit and appropriate for October and Halloween because of his semi-dark side, because he was obviously, as we know, a Death Eater. And then I'll be doing Trelawney and Mad-Eye Moody. But in this set, the last one to go in part 4 is Ron. So I reckon he is going to be so much fun, because Hermione was just great to build. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on that notification bell so you're notified when more magic or mischief is coming your way. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this Hermione Granger Brickhead. I really hope you have enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you for part 4. Bye!